All right, number basis. Okay, so so we're going to be looking at number basis in this video tutorial. So what's a number base? Okay, now a number base is a system of counting. Of course, there are different system of counting in mathematics. Okay, system of counting, and we are very familiar with just one system of counting, which is a counting in base 10. Okay, so now a number base is a system of counting where, okay, system of counting where digits or number of digits is used to represent a number. Okay, now that the digit that is used to represent a number in binary system of counting is not the same digit that is used to represent that same number in decimal system of counting. All right, for example, let's look at example of number basis. Okay, the common system of counting that everyone uses, we also use for calculation, is a number in base 10. Okay, so number in base 10 are called decimal numbers. Okay, and decimal numbers actually uses digits. The digits you will use in decimal numbers, okay, actually ranges from 0 to 9. So no matter the number of counts, okay, no matter how long you actually count in decimal numbers, okay, the number that you will use will range from 0 to 9. Okay, as in the digit, please pardon me, the digits you use to represent a number actually ranges from 0 to 9. Okay, so invariably if you count from let's say you're counting from 0 to 9, if you want to count 10, 10 is just a repetition of 1 and 0, 11 is just a repetition of 1 and 1. Okay, so on and so forth. So please take note of that. Let's look at another example. Another example is a number in base 2. Okay, now this one is not common system of counting. Human language, okay, doesn't understand this. Computer actually uses this system of counting, and this system, okay, is what we call binary system or binary numbers. Okay, so the only digit that is actually being used in this system of counting is just two digits, just 0 and 1. Okay, so the digit ranges from 0 to 1. So there are others. We have base 3, base 4, okay, base 5. So this is just an example. Now in this video we are going to just do some simple simplification in number basis, okay, or operation in number basis. So let's look at some simple operation in number basis. Now what I mean by operation is those what I mean by operation is simply uh, addition, subtraction, okay, and the likes. So we're just going to do addition and subtraction. So we do addition and subtraction. So let me start with addition. Now there are different approaches that different individual uses to add number in to add number basis, right? But I'm going to give you a very simple approach. It will still yield the same result no matter what approach you use. The important thing is to get the right answer. Okay, so let's go by example. So the question is evaluate the following. So A 11101 in base 2 plus 11111 in base 2. Alright, then B 2 1 2 1 in base 3 plus 1 2 2 2 in base 3. Okay. C 3 2 1 2 in base 4, then plus 2 1 3 2 in base 4. So I'm going to use this to illustrate addition in number base solution. Now, as you can see, each of these bases, there's one thing about a base, okay? The digit of a base does not include the number of that base, okay? Like in base 2. Here in base 2, you can never see any 2 as a digit. In base 3, you can never see 3 as a digit. You'll see a number from 0 to 2, okay? So base 4, see a number from 0 to 1. So please take note of that. So let's start adding. Now, for us to add, then we have to arrange our digits. So I'm starting with the A part of the question. Okay, so I arrange my digits. This 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, I arrange this also 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so I bring my equal sign. Of course, you know, I will start adding from the right, then I'll go to the left. Okay, now what is the approach of adding? Okay, what's the approach of adding in any base at all? It's the same approach you apply when adding in base 10. Now, there are different approaches that people actually take, but I just want to give you an approach that is easy to remember. Anytime you add in a particular number base, okay, if after adding your result is up equal to that base or above, divide by that base, write your remainder, then carry your result or your quotient to the next addition. What do I mean? Okay, let me start adding. Remember, this is in base 2, this addition is in base 2, right? So 1 plus 1, of course, is 2. You discover that 2, what I have is up to 2, all right? So if it's up to 2, I have to divide by that base by 2. If I divide 2 by 2, I will have 1, and the remainder is 0. So I will always write my remainder. Then I carry the result 1 to the next addition. There are other methods that people actually uses to actually get this answer, but okay, at the end of the day, we still arrive at the same answer. Okay, so I'm carrying 1 to the next addition. Go to the next addition, have 0 plus 1, which is 1 plus the 1 I carried. Okay, I still have 2 up to the base, so I divide. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1, and of course remainder 0 again. I rather assume 0. I go to the next addition. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, and of course you can be doing this, just be doing this, you can do this in a rough, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 1 I carry, that is not 3, so I'm having 3 all over 2. Of course, this time around I have 1 remainder 1, so the remainder right here now is 1, carry 1. Go to the next addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 1 I carry 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. I go to the next addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 I carry, that is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. So the remainder now I bring it down. So this is the result of that addition. Then of course the B part of the question. Okay, let me 2 1 2 1. So I have to arrange. This is in base 3. Now this is 2 2 2 1 in base 3, right? Let's add. Remember, it's base 3, so if I add this up to 3 or above, I'll have to divide, write my remainder, carry my result to the next addition. 1 plus 2 is actually 3, so if I do 3 divided by 3 thereof, I'll have 1, remainder 0. Okay, so I have to write it 0. Go to the next addition. The next addition is 2 plus 2, which of course is 4. 4 plus the remainder 1. That's 5. So I'm having 5 now. 5 divided by that 3 gives 1, okay? And the remainder is 2. 5 divided by 3, you know that answer is 1. And the remainder is 2. So what I'm writing, remember, I always write my remainder. I go again. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay? So remainder is 2. I have to add that 2. 3 plus 2, that's 5. Okay, 5 divided by 3 again, I'll still have 1. I'll still have 1. Okay, I made a mistake. What I'm carrying, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then plus the 1, I'm carrying the 1, okay? That's 4. Then 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 3, I have 1 remainder 1, okay? So the remainder, I write the 1. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 I carry, that is 4. 4 divided by 3, 1. Then of course remainder 1. I hope that is well understood. Okay, so let's now do the last but not the least. I'll arrange this. Okay, this is in base 4, so I'm having 2 1 1 2 2 1, right? 2 3. Arrange it from the left. So I have 2 3 1 2. Okay, so remember this is in base 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So up to the base. Then of course you divide, have 1, and the remainder is 0. Okay, so I'm writing 0 here. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus the 1. Okay, that's 5 now. Okay, 5 divided by 4, I have 1 remainder 1. I write the remainder 1, carry 1 to the next addition. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then plus 1 I carried, which of course is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 0. I write the 0, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, then 5 plus 1, that's now is 6. 6 divided by 4, I have 1. Then remainder 2. Okay, so I write the remainder 2, carry the 1 to the next. So that is how we add. Now what of subtraction? How do we subtract? Okay, so let's look at subtraction in number basis. Okay, so evaluate the following. Okay, so I have a 2 1 1 1 in base 3 minus 1 0 2 2 in base 3. B 1 0 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1. This is base 2 and this base 2. Alright, solution. So the same way we also subtract in base 10, okay, but this time around you have to take note of the base you're working on. I have to arrange my digit 1 1 1 then 2. Okay, here I have 2 2 0 1. So now this subtraction will be 1 minus 2, which you know that can't go, so I have to borrow. Now since I'm working on base 3, okay, if I borrow any digit from the next addition, okay, from the next digit, I'll borrow it as 3. So I borrow 1 from this as 3, add it to this, that makes it 4. All right, 4 minus 2 gives me 2. Remember, this one now is what is now 0 because I borrowed this one. Okay, 0 minus 2 can't work. I have to borrow 1 again from this. 1 as 3, add it to this. This now becomes 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, now I borrowed 1 here, so this is left with 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then of course 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so in base 3, A part of the question. Now let's look at the B part. Okay, here I have 1 0 1 0 1. Then arranging the digits, 1 1 0 okay, 0 1. Okay, I did arrange that well. 1 1 0 0 1. So this is minus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 can work. I take 1 here as 2. Add it to this is going to be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This now 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. So of course you know that 0 is in front of a number. Okay, it's not significant. So invariably my answer, okay, will just be 10. No 0 0 10. So I hope that is well understood. Okay, so this is how we add and subtract in number base. So in the next video we are going to look at how to convert from one base, okay, from other bases to base 10. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.